Hey guys, my name is Cameron with Home Safe Driving Cleaning, and I just want to talk to you about a little bit airflow on the dryer system. So what I have here, test the airflow. This is what we test every time we do a free inspection on your dryer vent system. As you can see, with this airflow, I just tested it's at 36 feet per second, and that's really good. Typically what you want to see on standard homes is 20 plus feet per second, but with this one, it's we had our work done here a while ago, and they have our Innovate transition hose as well as our wall vent from Innovate, and this is the end of the termination, so it allows the air to come out. As you can see how wide open this is. We were back here in 2014, and we're back here just to check the dryer vent system again, just to see what's going on, if there's any blend buildup, just to maintain it. As you can see, it is properly allowing all the air to vent out, and it's looking really great. If you want your dryer vent to have this much optimal airflow coming out of the end of the termination, you can have us out there, do it for inspection, and we can let you know what we can do to help your dryer vent system run even better than what you have today.